Hey fam, Pharaoh finally said we could go, so yeah, we out of Egypt. Okay, plot twist. Pharaoh changed his mind, and now they're chasing us. Great. Everyone is freaking out like, bro, I said chill, God's got this. Guys, sea in front, army behind. This ain't looking good. Prayed hard just now, God said move forward. So, faith mode on. Okay, moment of truth. Staff up, sea about to do something wild. Bro, it's literally parting. The sea just split open. Woo! This is insane. We're walking on dry land through an ocean. They're actually following us in. Bro, they bold. God said raise it again, and boom, waves just clapped them. We made it. Egypt's army, gone. Oh, God really pulled through. Faith always wins, fam. Follow @Bible Shorts Daily for more crazy Bible POVs.